Hi, I'm Jack Hemingway from the Gardening Products Review. Today we're testing hand pruners, and I happen to have a pair of Corona. They're called the B as in boy, P as in Peter 4180 bypass pruners. Pretty much a standard pruner, although what they've done here is that they've made the handles out of a plastic-like material, and they've also designed into it an ergonomic, basically inner hand piece. The spring is called a coil spring. It has a shock absorber built into the handle. It's not the softest one that I've seen, but it is effective when you're actually pruning a branch and you get through and it jams down. So it works pretty well. The other feature that it has is I'm able to do this. I'm not sure everybody would be able to do this, but it has a thumb locking mechanism. I'm able to do it with one hand. You could also do it with your other thumb as well. That's a nice feature. I was able to cut through 1/2 inch material with no problem whatsoever, but I was cutting through very tough mesquite wood. I am confident that these would cut through 5/8 inch material, which they are designed to do. The blades are nice and sharp. Didn't get any burring on the blades when I made those hardwood cuts. The handle spread is designed more for large hands. A smaller handed person can actually use them, but they'd have to choke up on this a little bit, which would actually limit the diameter of the wood being pruned. They are adjustable in terms of the two blades coming together through this nut. You can tighten or loosen it. They're a decent pruner. I liked them a lot.